Good morning, you guys. Today is Wednesday. No, today is Thursday. I'm not even kidding you. My life is so crazy. I barely know which day it is. But this morning, we're going to be filming a little morning routine on, it's like, I can't even call it a day off, but this is like my only time at home, basically, before I go to one of my jobs. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I have the most productive morning and maximize my time because we have so much on the to-do list and we basically are preparing to leave to coach for night training at around 1-ish, and then I will drive from night training to Black Butte to be with my friends, go ski tomorrow at Mount Bachelor, then drive back to Mount Hood, coach Saturday, coach Sunday, be in a really secret special project up there on Monday. So I'm really packing for like 5 days of outdoor activities, which just takes a lot of stuff and a lot of preparation to make sure I don't forget anything. The first thing that I did to prepare for all this craziness was to get a good night's sleep, which I actually got such a good night's sleep. I gave myself 8 hours and I'm sleeping on my amazing Helix mattress. I'm going to be talking about them later in this video because Helix is actually sponsoring this video. We're also going to wash all of our sheets and bedding and get it all ready so that when we come home from our trip, we have like a nice, clean, awesome bed to come back to. I like to tidy my apartment before I get out of here. We're also having some breakfast. This morning we're having some Greek yogurt with a little bit of granola on top. Pretty much every morning I have green tea and honey. You can probably hear it in my voice. It's like starting to be gone, and it's because I've been coaching a lot recently and been like straining my voice, so it's really hard for me to try to protect it, but I do feel like drinking hot tea helps. The other thing that I live off of is my to-do list. This is my list from yesterday. I got almost everything crossed off of it besides washing my hair and doing my car insurance. So we're gonna wash my hair this morning, and I have a couple days until my car insurance needs to be renewed, so maybe we'll deal with that a little bit later in this week. But let's get this morning started with a long to-do list of all the things that I need to do, and then I'm probably gonna make a separate list of things that I need to pack that I think I'm gonna forget. There is a lot that I need to pack. Let's get started and make our daily list. We still won't fall. With every challenge we will find our way. My list is made. We got it all. I tried to think about it. I also did some packing lists because I know I'm gonna forget something. Hopefully I don't forget anything. Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna enjoy the last 15 minutes of my morning and just eat my breakfast and focus. And usually I like to watch like a little bit of news comedy, a little Jimmy Kimmel, a little Stephen Colbert. So there's a new episode. I'm gonna watch it and enjoy my breakfast. When the world divides and the lines are drawn, we'll join our hands, you know we'll keep holding on. Every word will fall, the sun will start to shine. All right, you guys, we finished start orders, we finished replying to texts, emails, all the good stuff. So now we're ready to do our linen laundry. We're gonna strip this bed and get ready, and I am gonna tell you about my Helix mattress and how much I love this thing. I got my Helix mattress, I believe about 6 months ago. I actually filmed a video of me redoing my whole bedroom, getting this bed, and I upgraded to a queen size, and then I also upgraded my mattress because my sleep as a nurse is so important to me. The thing that I always sacrifice is the amount of time I get sleep, so the one thing that I really can't sacrifice is my quality of sleep. So having a nice mattress is so important to make sure that I am feeling well rested. It can make my crazy life happen. Right now I'm living with like minutes of free time during the day. I'm gonna also wash, I have like a cover over my Helix mattress because I'm trying to protect it, but this is what the Helix mattress looks like. It is so beautiful. I have the Helix mattress in the Midnight Luxe version of the mattress. It also has this cooling fabric, which is really great for me because I sleep super hot. This is a total game changer. I just want to stay here all day. I feel like my favorite part about this mattress is that it's really supportive for me, but it's still like cushy enough for me to feel comfortable. I have a lot of back pain issues from coaching and standing around in ski boots all day and nursing. My back is like usually really painful. But ever since I've switched to my Helix mattress, I've definitely noticed like I wake up and my back doesn't hurt anymore, which before when I just had like a hodgepodge of toppers going on, my back was still really painful. So if you too are struggling from back issues, you may want to try switching up your mattress because it's definitely helped me a ton. And Helix is having a President's Day sale where you guys can get 27% off everything from their website, as well as 2 free pillows. You guys can go to helixsleep.com/Kiara Madisen to shop the site. I know some of you guys were asking asking me what I thought about this mattress from that last video. So this is my Helix mattress update. I am still in love with it. This is what it looks like. It still looks in pristine condition. That's why I put like a little cover over it, because I'm like, this is my baby. We must protect her. Again, you guys can go to helixsleep.com/Kiara to get 27% off through the end of February, as well as 2 free pillows. That being said, here is my laundry pile. We are gonna make sure that there's no other things that need to be in this pile, which there are, because there's always dishcloths. Toss it in. I feel like I have some more like neckies in my ski bag that needed to be washed. I honestly need to repack this entire bag, so I'm gonna take everything out. There's 2 more neckies pile, and I think I have a couple of things in my laundry bin. So I'm gonna toss that all into the pile, and then we're gonna get the laundry started. I'm gonna wash my hair, and we're just gonna keep cracking away and do all of our packing and to-do list things. I feel like every time I make a to-do list, it just keeps me on the move because I enjoy crossing things off. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna keep following along our list. Okay. Sweet. Let's do this. Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. We are freshly showered, and we have 30 minutes left on our laundry. But the other motivating thing that I like to do in the mornings is try to beat the clock with my laundry as my timer. I know it sounds weird, but it keeps me like accountable and moving. The next task is to pack all of this ski stuff. I cannot wait for the day when I have more space to store this properly. But for now, it is just dumped in the winter season, like literally all over here. So there's a ton of stuff I have to pack for, because it's like 5 days of skiing with different teams that I'm coaching. So I have a lot to pack. So we're gonna try to be as efficient as possible. I'm gonna try to pack my coach bags that I need for tonight, and then like in a separate bag, pack jackets that I don't need like as soon. So hopefully this goes well. I'm also gonna be throwing away some of the trash. And I also need to take off my chin guard, because I'm gonna be free skiing in that moment. There's some things to do. Let's get cracking. I've been feeling all this lately, kinda wishing that a heart just didn't exist. I've been picking up the pieces of the things that you do. I'm always second guessing what could be your next move. Yeah, I'm just trying to see it from your point of view. Never told you that I need you, cause I thought that you knew that I don't mind. Ending my days with you and waste my time. If that's what you wanna do, oh, I don't mind. You guys, I did it, and I beat the clock. Main ski bag packed, coach bag packed, all of my stuff that I need for racing packed. So we're looking good. And I think now what we're gonna do is lay out all of the clothing things that I need to pack. And then we're like literally packed. I have all of my hair and makeup stuff that I need, because I'm gonna be on set on Monday. I think most of my technology is packed, besides I need to grab my laptop. And I think we're gonna bring these things as well as some comfy clothes options. Yeah, we're just gonna pack all this clothing stuff up. It is absolutely crazy how many different things that you need. I love the winter sports, but oh my gosh, there's just so many things you need. Tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, before I come home, and then I could like maybe do a quick laundry that night. So I need 4 more pairs of socks. So here's 2. I think I got some new ones for Christmas, because they will be put to good use. I had 1 more pair, but I don't know. And then we're gonna bring some other like thick socks that we've got going on. Yep, I think that looks pretty good. Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night. I took a little packing pit stop, and I decided to blow dry my hair because it was getting too dry. We're gonna go back to our lists, plural. Let's see. I got the beading stuff. I'm not gonna bring that. I need to get my GS skis. I got pigs. Short zip down pants. I got the True jacket. I got my race suit. Team jackets. Took off my chin guard. Got my swimsuit. I got my GS helmets, beanies, sunglasses, makeup, hair stuff. I need to do radios, speaker. I need to do a nice outfit for the award ceremony because I'm probably gonna have to drive right to the awards at the end of like being on set all day. Hopefully I make it. All of us are dressing up like really nice, so I need to dress up nice. Let's see, let's cross off some things. Showered, I stripped my bed, I started my laundry. I need to take out my trash and recycling. I packed my ski stuff. I'm in the middle of packing my overnight stuff. I texted that person. I haven't switched my laundry yet. I haven't packed snacks. I did tidy the kitchen. I blow dried my hair. Okay, so I really just need to take out my trash and recycling. I need to cut some strawberries and freeze them so they don't go bad. And I need to finish packing all of my clothing stuff, but it's kind of overwhelming me, so I'm taking a break. Let's go cut some strawberries. Also getting ready to pack all of my snack stuff too. So I'm gonna pack an apple, I'm gonna cut an apple, I'm gonna pack some sumo oranges, and then what else? I'm gonna cut my strawberries and freeze them. They're like really good, but I don't think I don't have the stuff to make overnight oats. That's what I was gonna do. So I think I just need to pack some extra meal. I have some at the mountain, but I always like to pack more. I think I'm gonna pack my charcuterie stuff because at some point I would hope to do charcuterie this weekend. The big spread's also gonna go. I also bought this. I need like a dry food bag. That's pretty good. A little popcorn. That sounds kind of good. A little movie night. We're gonna cut some cheese and apples to have as my snack on the hill tonight. Freeze these, pack these, get some food together. I tried to be efficient and use the packing cubes because that usually helps squish it down a little more, but this is how much space I have in here. Getting really tight, and I still have these things to add. These are definitely not gonna fit, so that's gonna have to go in a different bag. Everything is just bulky. I feel like I could fit this. I really want this to fit. Okay, we're gonna try. I feel like I'm gonna just break the zipper on this thing. Hold it like this. I feel like it would be ridiculous to bring a suitcase, and all my suitcases are at my parents' house, so I'm just really determined here. I'm like, do I sit on it? We're so close. We got like 10 inches here. I think, you know, that's as good as it's gonna get. It's pretty close. Put my little towel on top, and then we'll find a bag for the bulky stuff. Final piece to my packing besides the food. But I'm gonna put that in right before I leave so it can stay cool. Perfect. And then this is a separate bag for my award ceremony outfit, but I think I can just fit it in here. Let's see how many bags total I have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. Plus this will be 6. And then I have dry food in here, so 7. Chips are just gonna hang on top. Actually, the chips can go. Chips can just hang out right here. That's perfect. Ta-da! We packed. I'm proud of us for doing that. See, I think I'm gonna have some food. It's only 11. I sometimes, on coach days, I like to try to eat as close as I can to leaving so I don't get as hungry, but I need to eat. I'm hungry. I meal prepped this orzo pasta last night, so I'm just gonna eat this. It's probably gonna be like more of a little snack for me. Maybe once we're on the road, if we're still hungry, I'm gonna go and just get myself something to eat because I have to get gas anyways. My goal would be to leave my apartment because I have to go to my parents' house by 12:30. So that's in an hour and a half. So I'm really just waiting to take out my trash and then remake my bed. My apartment's pretty clean otherwise. And then that way I can feel at peace like I got everything together. And of course I have to take a couple loads to the car. I'm officially mountain ready. I'm just waiting for my dryer to be done so that I can make my bed. And while I wait for it, since it's going so slowly, I figured I'd start taking some laps to the car because I probably need at least 3 laps. That's what we're gonna do. Maybe 2. I can try it for 2. We're gonna do some food packing here. Perfect. As soon as my laundry's done, making bed, then departing. Does anybody else's dryer always take longer than it says? Because mine does. I am patiently waiting for my macaroons to defrost because it sounds delicious. Actually, they feel pretty good. Let's try. Oh yeah. This is a good little treat. I finally got impatient and I pulled my mattress cover out of dryer and it's still like a little damp. I just think it's like decently thick so it's not drying. I just put it on the bed so that it'll dry while I'm gone, and I don't want to put sheets on over it because they're not even dry yet. I guess I will have to put the sheets on my bed when I come home, but that's fine. It's 12 o'clock exactly. I think I'm just gonna leave a little bit early so I don't feel stressed, and then if I wanted to grab some food on the way, then I can do that and I can get gas and all the things. So that is my plan. I wanted to thank you guys so much for coming along on today's morning routine. This has been my morning routine for any day that I have off, technically, like in the morning times. You got to see the reality of me making it happen so that I can live this very busy season of my life. Huge thank you again to Helix for sponsoring today's video. You guys can go to helixsleep.com/Kiara Madisen and save 27% off the entire site. Plus you get 2 free pillows. I am so glad I got a good night's sleep on this thing so that I can power through the rest of my day, because it's gonna be a lot of driving. Oh, today's question of the day is gonna be, what have you guys been doing to keep yourselves busy this winter season? I love you guys so much and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.
I have to live a little louder. No, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out. I just bought me a new condo, and in the same year I moved back home. Guess the 20s ain't as friendly as a place where you were born.